is the relative mass. The atomic mass is that number which indicates how many times is the mass of one atom of the element than 1 by 12th part of the mass of one atom of carbon isotope C12. Means atomic mass of any element is calculated with respect to the atomic mass of the carbon, so it is called a relative mass. The atomic mass of one atom of the element is calculated as how many times it is greater than the mass of 1 by 12th part of the mass of one atom of the carbon isotope 12. So atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom of the element by 1 by 12th part of the mass of one atom of carbon isotope C12. There are some elements which have different types of atoms of different masses, and for that elements merely atomic mass is not introduced. In the place of atomic mass we introduce average atomic mass, which is the average masses of isotopic atoms, as chlorine element have two types of atoms. One has atomic mass 35 and other has atomic mass 37. The atom having 35 atomic mass is present 75%, and atom having 37 atomic mass is present 25%. Means they are present in the natural chlorine in the ratio 3:1. So the average atomic mass of chlorine will be 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4, or 105 plus 37 by 4, or 142 by 4 equal to 35.5. This is the reason to why the chlorine atom has average atomic mass 35.5 kN. Atomic mass unit. Everything is measured in terms of their masses or their volumes or in length and time in hour, second or minutes. Atom is the very small particle of the matter, and to measure the mass of the atom, some units have been given, and from all these units, one mass unit for the atomic mass that is selected is the mass of the carbon. The mass of the carbon is 12 AMU, and when we take 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon, it measures 1 gram of the carbon. It measures 12 gram of the carbon, not 1 gram. So we take mass of one atom of carbon, and when it is divided by 12, we get unit for atomic mass. So atomic mass unit can be defined as 1 by 12th part of the mass of one atom of isotope carbon 12. It is denoted by, in short, as AMU. A means atomic, means A means mass, U means unit. Atomic mass unit, in short, AMU, or U unified. See here, atomic mass of carbon isotope 12, I have just told you, is 12 AMU. Therefore, if you take 12 gram of carbon, it will be 1 gram atom of carbon, not 1 gram. Atom word is introduced after gram. 1 gram atom, not 1 gram of the carbon. 1 gram carbon atom has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. It means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms is equal to 1 gram atom for any elements. Here, the 1 gram atom of carbon has atoms 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and 1 gram carbon atom equal to 12 gram of carbon. Therefore, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon have mass 12 gram. Therefore, mass of one atom 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram, or 1 by 12 as definition has been given, or 1 mu is equal to 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 1 by 12. 12 and 12 up and down are cancelled, and we get 1 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And when this points is given at left side, then it will be 10 to the power 23 will be changed into 10 to the power 24. And when we divide 1 by 0.6022 into 10 to the power 24, we get 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, or 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So 1 mu is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, or 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg.